Just see it go.
This is Louisa and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be doing a massive ZAFUL haul because ZAFUL very kindly sent me $200 worth of clothes from their website, or jewellery, or literally anything from their website. It came in this massive box, so thank you so much ZAFUL for sending me this. I'm so grateful for it, and yeah, thank you so much. So I thought today I'd review all of these clothes and tell you my honest thoughts. I haven't really looked at many of the clothes in this box. I've only like looked at a few just to see like what they were like, and so far I've got like mixed opinions. Some of them I really like and some of them I'm not a massive fan of, and I don't think I'd wear them. I'm going to be 100% honest in this video, and if I don't like something then I'm going to say. And yeah, all of the clothes which I don't like I won't be wasting. I'll give them to like friends and family, or I'll sell them on Depop. I'll give them to charity shops just so they don't go to waste. I will also be linking all of the links to these clothes down below, so if you see anything that you like in the video then make sure to go and click the link down below to purchase them. And I'll also link loads of like discount codes and any just information about the brand down below, so if you are interested in purchasing, just read the description box and it's all there for you. So yeah, I think that's everything I have to say, so without further ado, let's get on with the video. I literally have no idea where to start, so I'm literally just going to pull the first thing from the top of the box. The packaging is so good, like for ZAFUL. They all have these little zipper like bag things, which I think is really professional. And they all have like the labels on as well, which is really good. So this is the first thing which I've got. It's just like this kind of cropped like yellowy kind of top. The colour really isn't showing up on camera like what it's actually like. It's kind of like a creamy yellowy white colour. On camera it's showing up a lot more white than it is in real life. I still think this is a really cute top. You could wear this for like working out in, or just in the summertime, as it's super lightweight and it feels like a really nice like stretchy material as well. Let's open the next thing. I actually can't remember most of the things that I bought because I got them so long ago. The next thing which I have is this little jumper. I think this jumper is actually really cute. It's like, I've seen a very similar one in H&M. It's a really pretty like pastel pink colour, and it's got like a little rose on it, which is super cute. And it's kind of like, not high neck, but like it comes up like here, and I don't think it's cropped yet. It's fairly long. I was expecting it to be like fleecy in here or something, but it's still like quite a nice material. Yeah, I really like it. Okay, let's open the next little parcel. It's so exciting, it's like Christmas. So the next thing we have is this. I actually don't know what this is. It's one of these button up like dress things. It's kind of hard to show because it's like not buttoned up, so yeah. I guess you'll kind of have to see in the try on clip what it looks like. Okay, so opinions on this dress. Obviously I wouldn't wear this top underneath. I think it would be so nice if it was like hinged in at the waist, like if you could wear like a belt with it or something. But just because it's so like floppy and like big around here, I just don't think it's very flattering, and it's a really like awkward length as well. Like if it came to like here then it would be so cute, but it's just like awkward length. Let's open the next thing. This is again by ZAFUL Sport. So the next thing we have are these. I don't know how I feel about these. They're just like these like long trackies, and they've got two stripes down the side which adds a lot of detail. The only thing I'm kind of disappointed about is the material. I mean, it feels like quite like a sporty like fabric, but I thought they were going to be like fleecy. So I don't really see myself wearing these a lot, and it says actually inside that they're a UK 12. On the website it didn't say that. If you like this kind of thing then I think they're really nice. Let's open the next little parcel. Thing we have is, oh, it's a dress. I remember getting this. I wasn't sure about buying this because I didn't know what it would look like. It's just this like gorgeous kind of like plum like red kind of dress. It feels like a really nice material actually. It's kind of difficult to show like this because of like the design of it, although again it does look quite big for me. Like the straps look really long, so I feel like it will come like down below my bra, which is not great. On the right person this would be a super gorgeous dress. It's just whether it would look right on me, I'm not sure, but I'm excited to see what this looks like on. So trying it on, this dress does not fit me at all. It's way too big. So yeah, I think it could look really nice like if you were the right size for it, but personally like the dress is just way too big for me. It's just falling down above like my boob area. And the next thing we have is this. Again, I have no idea what this is. I remember this actually. Oh yeah, this is really nice. It's just this like yellow off the shoulder like crop top. I actually think this is really pretty. It ties up in the middle. I mean, it doesn't feel like the best material, but it feels like a nice like light comfy material for the summer. And the only thing I would say at the top, it kind of just looks like someone's cut it with scissors. It's not bad. I forgot to mention these clothes are super cheap and affordable. I could definitely see myself wearing this like on holiday or something. And the next thing I have is this. Let me open it up. Oh yay, I remember getting this. Oh my god, I love this so much. It's this like jumper thing. It's got one of them like zips. These are so in at the moment. I've seen them like everywhere in H&M, Topshop. It's just like navy blue, and down the sleeves it's got red and white and blue, and then it's got the zip and like kind of like the high neck, which is really cute. The only thing I would say is, again, it's quite thin. For like the spring or the autumn, it would be really nice like material to wear because it's not too thick. So yeah, I think this is really cute, and I can definitely see myself wearing it because it's very my style at the minute. And the next thing, I think this is like my favourite thing because this is one of the things which I've already looked at. So I'm just going to open it up. Yes, oh my god, I literally am obsessed with this. It's so nice. It's this cropped like sweater. This is literally the nicest thing in the world. Like, oh my god, it's so fluffy. Like, if you guys could feel it, it's not going to give it justice, but you see that fluff? That is literally soft. Like, that is like the softest material I've ever felt. It's just like a teddy bear. It's so nice, and I cannot wait to wear this. I literally am going to be living in this. And the next thing I have, I think this is a skirt, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, this looks absolutely massive for me. It's a really nice colour. The waist just looks ginormous for me, so yeah, I don't think I'm going to be keeping this, but we'll see what it looks like on. Sometimes stuff looks a lot better on than off. I'll give it a go, and if I don't like it, I can always give it to someone. And the next thing we have are some trousers. Literally, I'm getting so much for $200, it's unreal. I mean, they're quite cute, but the leg looks so wide, like, yeah, you can't really see on camera, but it looks really wide, so I feel like they'll be quite baggy and big. Again, I'll give them a go. I might really like them because I've had trousers similar to this before and I absolutely love them. I feel like trousers are just like one of them things where you have to try them on to know if you like them, so yeah, I'm going to try it on. They could look, actually, thinking about it, they could look really cute, so. And the next thing I have is this. Now, this was the thing which I opened and I was so disappointed about because the material feels horrible. I thought it was going to be that really fluffy material which I had on the other cropped like teddy bear kind of jumper, but this feels like so like itchy and horrible. So I'm not going to get it out because it will make loads of fluff like fall on the floor. I told you guys I was going to be completely honest, and if I don't like something I'm going to say I don't like it, so this is one of the things which I really don't like. So I believe that is actually all of the clothes. Now if you think about it, I actually got like loads of clothes for my money. Like, you literally, in Urban Outfitters you could get like 4 or 5 things for $200. Like on ZAFUL you can get like 20 things for $200, which is so good. Okay, moving on to other things, I got these lashes because I've heard really good things about ZAFUL lashes. Apparently they're really good. I've never actually tried eyelashes before, so I'm really excited to try these for like a party or like a special event. So yeah, they look really nice actually, and you get 3 lashes and they're really cheap as well, which is really good. And the next thing which we have is this necklace. This was literally like $2 or something. Yeah, this is actually really pretty. It's like this gold necklace, and on the bottom it's got these like crystal things. Yeah, I actually think this would be really nice, and for $2 you really can't go wrong. Yay, I found them. I'm gonna open these up now. I'm actually really excited. It looks like this. This is a choker, except from like the loose threads and stuff, which I can just cut off. I think this would be so pretty like in the summer with like a nice like off the shoulder top or something. I actually really like that, and again it was like $1, which is so cheap. And then I've got 2 necklaces which are the same. I've just got this silver one, and then I've got this same one but in gold. These look quite cheap, but I mean they were literally like $1 or $2, so I can't really complain about them. I'm gonna get one of them out to show you. It looks like this. To be honest, now I've got it out of the packet, it actually looks really cute. Like, yeah, I think this would look really nice with any outfit really, because you can't really go wrong with like stars. I probably prefer the silver just because I'm more into like silver jewellery than gold, but the gold looks really nice as well. So I really recommend these like necklaces, they're really pretty. So that is everything which I got from ZAFUL. It all came to about $200, so thank you so much ZAFUL for gifting all this to me. I'm super grateful, and like I said, all opinions were truthful. Like, I don't want to make you guys buy something which you're not going to like and which isn't good. Overall, I'd say ZAFUL is really good. They're super affordable, you can get so much for your money, but I would just be careful about what you buy because some of the things aren't the best quality and they're not what you expect, whereas some of the things are like better than what you expect. So yeah, it kind of like depends on what the item is, so just be really careful what you buy and make sure you read the reviews before you purchase it, just in case. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a massive thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow for a new video. Bye!